We saw in our previous episode that AI systems make guesses. But what happens when a guess is wrong? Researchers prepared training data, images paired with answers. This is a cat. This is a dog. Faced with a new image, the network made a prediction. Then the system checked that prediction against the label in the training data. It didn't know the answer on its own. The answer was provided in advance. The difference between the guess and the correct label became an error, a number, a signal, and that signal flowed backward through the network, layer by layer, slightly adjusting the numbers inside the mathematical functions that make the guesses. That is how the system learned to guess better and better, eventually leading to today's models, where billions of numbers, adjusted through training, work together to produce remarkably accurate results.